Okay, so in the back here are the new iPhone 17e models. And yeah, I don't think we should underestimate how powerful and beautiful and how good of a purchase they are. You have three new finishes. I'm going to show you the first look at these three different models from up close, the colors, some specs, so you can make a very good and informed decision whether you should upgrade to one of the new iPhone 17e models. All right, so ladies first, we have it here, the iPhone 17e in pink. As you can see, still one camera lens on the back. The action button here, no camera control. Again, we still have the notch, same as on the iPhone 16e. But yeah, in here now we have more power with the A19 Pro chip. But yeah, this is the pink finish, very clean. I think this is a great price to value ratio iPhone. If you're doubting to upgrade maybe from an iPhone 12, like an older iPhone model, this is great. You can see it, the pink looks really stunning. I think this will work really well with the ladies. So yeah, iPhone 17e in pink. And here we have the clean and a minimal iPhone 17e in white. We knew it would come in this color. Obviously, the other color, the black one, we're gonna go to that one in a bit. But yeah, this is the 17e in white. Again, single camera lens, A19 chip inside. What's really great is that this now starts with 256 gigabytes of storage. The previous iPhone 16e had 128 gigabytes of storage, and this one now starts with 256 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, iPhone 17e, the white one, really clean. I really love this finish. And lastly, the bold black new finish. This is the iPhone 17e in black. I think this one will work well with the gentleman among us. Really bold and minimal black color. Looks great with the single camera lens on the back. Side view. The bottom view. Other side view, the SIM tray is here, but you can also get it with eSIM in certain regions. The black one, A19 chip, 256 gigabytes of storage. Also improved the N chip in here, Apple's own cellular chip. So yeah, this is the black one. Let me know what you guys think. It's the best color. Share it with us in the comments.